Alright, ETC 2018, this is Luke with a quick look at the electronic schedule and a really cool way for you to maximize your professional development day at California State University Stanislaus for one of the best conferences going, ETC 2018. So, what you're going to want to do is sign into your browser and you're going to want to navigate to the online schedule at etc2018.sched.org. Just going to put that into your search bar or Omnibox if you're using Google Chrome, right? And that will take you here to the electronic version of the ETC schedule. Okay, now to really maximize this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a free account with Sched. Okay, and to do that, you're going to come right up here on the top right hand corner and you're going to click sign up. Now I know a number of you have done this already, but for those of you who have not, this is a really cool way again to get the most out of the conference. And you can do this with your existing Facebook account if you are already signed in, or you can use an email, right? And I'm going to go that route. So I'm going to click on email and I'm just going to provide some credentials here really quick. Alright, so I've provided an email, my name and a password. You can see that I am not a robot, contrary to popular belief, and I'm going to create that account. On this next page, I can kind of customize my profile. You can see here that I've added some information and uploaded a photo as well, so other conference goers can kind of see who's in attendance. And I'm going to go ahead and save those settings. Okay, and you'll get a little notification here that says your profile is saved. And now you're ready to really start getting into the schedule. So what I'm going to do here is click where it says schedule and where it says simple, and that's going to pull up a listing of all of the conference activities. Okay, so if something is of interest to you, what you're going to want to do is you can hover over that particular session. As you can see here, the great Leticia Citizen will be hosting a session called Using Wonder to Inspire Young Poets. And now if that is something I'm interested in, right, I can check out the room location, I can check out the intended audience, I can check out the strand that it might go to, right? So a number of strands this year include math, Google stuff, there's an education playground on campus this year. We can go get hands-on with a lot of different coding tools for students, okay? So if I'm interested in attending that session, what I can do is simply look for the little checkbox next to that particular session, and that will personalize that schedule for me, right? That will put things in order to where I can check them as something that I'm interested in attending. Right? That doesn't necessarily guarantee me a seat in that class, but it just highlights maybe a session of interest that I want to attend. Okay, so this is the online version. What I'm going to do now is walk you through how to bookmark this on your mobile device so you can, again, use that to make the most of ETC 2018. So a number of us are going to visit the schedule on our mobile device. So what you're going to want to do is launch your browser and you're going to head to the conference address at etc2018.sched.com or .sched.org, and it will pull up the electronic version. And what you're going to want to do is find your share button down in the bottom of your menu. From there, you will scroll over to Add to Home Screen, and you will have a preference there to name it ETC 2018 if you like. I'm going to go ahead and stick with that title, and I'm going to hit Add. And what you will notice is on your desktop, you will have a brand new icon for the online schedule. Okay, and what you're going to want to do there is sign in with the credentials that you created on the desktop version, and then you'll be able to view your personalized schedule right here on your mobile device.